What is up, fam? It's Two Wheel Tuesday. Let's go. Woo! Let's do this.
Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Adobo. I'm fucking sick. We got
what's up, bro?
Jazzy, Indy,
Yeah!
Jazzy Jeff, and Rice Boy.
What's up, dude?
Rice Boy, fabulous. Where we at, bro? We're at fucking
We are at Point Ruston.
Point Defiance.
Oh, Point Defiance, no Point Ruston. Oh shit, I'm up there.
That's our spot, bro.
That's our spot.
Yeah,
Not
we're
anymore.
just driving around because we were supposed to go to Seattle, but we took fucking forever to leave. It's just too late, man.
And Paul's sick, so.
And I'm sick as fuck.
By
I
his
can't
voice.
tell by my voice.
That he's
So-
really sick.
We're here to take pictures of these things and do
In
some
one
fucking
pieces.
so what?
I said these things in one pieces for now.
And then do some fucking cinematics and shit. So we got the drone out. Enjoy. gotta pee really bad. But Jazz said no. Jazz said wait. Rice boy. Rice boy peed. Jazz, let's go pee.
Home later, you can hold it. Bring the diaper with you.
Diaper, bro? Alright. I promise you next time I'll bring a diaper. Alright, we're out. Alright guys. Hey Rice boy, send us out. Hey you. What?
Peace out.
Oh, okay, ready?
Oh, yeah.
Do it. Send us out, Rice boy.
3,